Dry chicken is a crime in our family. That's why I started making chicken thighs that stay juicy even after 24 hours. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it. Simple spices, pan-seared and baked to perfection. And to be sure it wasn't just luck, I remade the same recipe in another setting and the results were still the same. Keep watching till the end because once you learn this, you will never go back to the dry chicken again. Quick marinade with salt, black pepper, red chili powder, chili flakes, lemon juice and fresh garlic. Add chili garlic ketchup or tomato puree plus a spoon of honey mustard. Fresh garlic is always perfect choice. Never use garlic powder, onion powder or ginger powder, they will spoil the taste. Mix, cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. That's all you need for the juicy chicken. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare a simple side. Take 3 to 5 potatoes, peel, clean and cut them into regular pieces, nothing fancy. Season with just salt, black pepper and a drizzle of oil. Mix well, spread evenly on a tray and bake at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes first, then 20 minutes later with the chicken. The results will be golden crispy potatoes that pair perfectly with the juicy chicken thighs. I start with about a tablespoon of oil and good slice of butter to prepare my pan. The butter is about 2 to 3 tablespoons or roughly a third of a teacup. Let it melt and coat the pan. Then lay in the chicken thighs and sear for about 5 to 7 minutes on both sides until they turn golden and crispy. And let's not waste the leftover marinade, just pour it right over the chicken for extra flavor. You can now hear the sizzling. The secret to chicken that stays tender even the next day is how you pan-sear them. Once the chicken is seared, place the thighs on the oven grill just above the potatoes and bake them together at the same temperature for about 20 minutes more. This way the chicken stays juicy inside with a crisp outside and the potatoes pick up all that flavor while roasting below. So it's comfort food at its best, crispy, juicy and perfectly baked. Don't wash the pan yet, this is where the flavor is. I'm adding another slice of butter, then a teaspoon of each of salt, red chili flakes and chili powder, oregano and basil leaves. These herbs work perfectly for the sauce we're going to make. And now comes the most important part, which is fresh garlic. I never use the powdered version of garlic, onion or anything because fresh garlic will bring out the rich flavor every sauce needs. Next I pour in about 120 ml of fresh cream, stir it well and add a splash of water to keep the sauce silky and flowable. Finally, I'm dropping in 2 chicken thighs, coating them in the sauce and just look how saucy and juicy they are turning out. Now the fun part is tell me in the comments below how would you like your chicken? Straight from the grill with crispy potatoes, or soaked in this creamy sauce, or toast with pasta? Let me know in the comments, I'll be waiting, and let me know if you try this recipe. Do tell me how you liked it. Keep watching, keep following Masala Meat.